This is Steve. Steve is a passionate sports fan. He likes to have a few bets, which is why he is so enthusiastic about Skrill. How easy it is to deposit funds and manage his winnings. He also really likes the exclusive poker, casino, and sports betting bonuses and promotional offers he gets as a Skrill customer. Right now, Steve's at home watching his favorite football team play. At the same time, he is checking the odds in a sports betting website. Steve wants to place a bet but does not have any funds in his sportsbook account. With Skrill, he can deposit money to his sportsbook account instantly, without revealing his bank or card details to the sportsbook or missing any of the match. After uploading some money to his Skrill account, Steve logs into his sportsbook account, ready to place a bet. He decides on the amount and selects Skrill as a payment option. After entering his Skrill username and password, he clicks Submit, and his sportsbook account has enough funds to place a bet. Goal! Steve's team wins, and so does Steve. He wants to celebrate right away. To do this, he simply withdraws them from his sportsbook account to his Skrill account. Later that night, Steve is getting ready to celebrate in town with his mates. Just before going out, Steve logs into his favorite online casino and uses his sportsbook winnings to play roulette and blackjack. It's turning out to be Steve's day. He wins again and the night out is paid for. Steve stops by an ATM and instantly withdraws his recent winnings from his Skrill account with his Skrill prepaid mastercard. Steve joins his mates, buys a round with his winnings, and tells them about his lucky day with Skrill.